Hi, I'm TJ with 3M Abrasives. Today we're going to talk about choosing the right abrasive belt for aluminum. As you may have noticed, aluminum is becoming more and more common and can be a little challenging to work with. Here we have two belts. This one is a general purpose aluminum oxide belt that is good for a lot of jobs around the shop. And this one is our Cubitron II cloth belt 981F with precision shaped grain, designed for softer substrates like aluminum. Both of these belts are 36 grit, and we're going to run the backstand machine at 1900 RPM, which will calculate out to 7,000 surface feet per minute, which is optimum for grinding on aluminum. Before we start grinding, let's make sure we put on our safety gear. First, we're going to have our eye protection, then our hearing protection, a good pair of safety gloves, and a 3M safety respirator. Now let's go to the backstand and start grinding. I'll be grinding on each belt for 2 minutes. That should be enough time to get a good idea of belt wear and material removal rate. I'm grinding with the general purpose aluminum oxide belt first. Here's how the general purpose belt held up after 2 minutes of grinding. You can see some loading, which will lead to reduced performance and more belt changes. Now let's take a look at the aluminum. Heat stress can be a sign that your belt isn't optimal for the substrate you're working with. You can see here there's a significant burr from the aluminum getting too hot during grinding. Now I got a fresh aluminum bar and switched to the Cubitron II 981F belt. This belt has a built-in lubricant that helps to reduce loading when grinding softer metals. Here's the Cubitron II 981F belt after 2 minutes of grinding. There's less loading than the general purpose belt, and it has plenty of abrasive life left. The aluminum ground with the 981F belt stayed much cooler. Compared to the thick burr left behind by the general purpose belt, the burr on this aluminum was flaky and it was easy to remove with just my hands. These aluminum bars all started out 24 inches long and weighing 524 grams. The aluminum oxide belt removed 55 grams of metal in 2 minutes, and the Cubitron II belt with ceramic precision-shaped grain removed 212 grams in the same amount of time. That's going to help you be more productive and reduce belt changes on your backstand. As you just saw, if you're working with aluminum, choosing the right belt can make all the difference. Be sure to get the right belt for your application from 3M Abrasives. Thanks for watching.
Seguiteci su Facebook, Instagram e Twitter.
Puoi richiedere informazioni visitando il sito della 3M o su abrasivitop.it.